Hi, we're Big Wise dietitians Carrie
and Andrea. Nothing beats homemade baked goods during the holidays,
especially when you share them with family and friends.
Here are 2 of our favorite recipes to share this time of year.
Avocanana Bread. Combine oats, flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Mash avocado in a large bowl. Add oil and brown sugar and cream together. Add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in bananas, walnuts, dry ingredients, and buttermilk. Pour into loaf pan and bake.
Mom's Best Scones. Combine flours, baking soda, and salt, then cut in butter. Stir in baking chips and sugar. Whisk egg yolk, skyr, and milk, and gently stir into dry ingredients. Knead dough, divide into 2 rounds, and cut each into 6 pieces. Brush egg whites over scones, sprinkle with coarse sugar, and bake.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.